Unwrapping the flavor. The meaning behind Tastes Store-Bought. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might hear in conversations about food. Tastes Store-Bought. This phrase holds a unique place in English-speaking cultures, and understanding it can add an interesting layer to your language skills. So, let's get into the nuances of this expression and see what it really means. When someone says a dish tastes store-bought, they're making a comparison between homemade food and food purchased from a store. This phrase carries a subtle implication that homemade food is generally considered superior in taste and quality to what you can buy pre-made. It suggests that the food lacks the distinctiveness or the love that often comes with homemade meals. It's important to understand the cultural background behind this phrase. In many English-speaking cultures, cooking at home is seen as an expression of care and effort. Therefore, saying something tastes store-bought might not just be a comment on the food's flavor but also on the perceived effort behind its preparation. This doesn't always mean the comment is negative. The context in which it's said matters a lot. You might hear "tastes store-bought" in various settings, from casual family dinners to more formal gatherings. Paying attention to the speaker's tone and the overall context can help you gauge whether it's being used to lightly tease, express disappointment, or simply make an observation without any negative connotation. It's a phrase that underscores the value of homemade food and the personal touch it represents. When using or responding to this phrase, be mindful of the implications. If you're complimented for something tasting like homemade, it's generally a positive comment on your cooking skills. Conversely, if someone mentions your dish tastes store-bought, it's a gentle nudge to perhaps try a more personal touch next time. However, always consider the context and the relationship between the speaker and the listener. Understanding phrases like "taste store-bought" can enrich your English learning journey, offering insights into the culture and subtle social dynamics of English-speaking communities. We hope this video sheds light on this unique expression and adds a flavorful twist to your language skills. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.